Before receiving the Arexvy, PF, 120 mcg/0.5 ml im suspension respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, vaccine, it's important to read all the information provided by your healthcare professional. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them. The vaccine is administered through an injection into the upper arm muscle by a healthcare professional. Some common side effects of Arexvy, PF, 120 mcg/0.5 ml im suspension respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, vaccine include soreness, redness, swelling, or bruising at the injection site, as well as muscle aches, joint pain, headache, or tiredness. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your healthcare professional. Occasionally, individuals may experience symptoms like fainting, dizziness, vision changes, or ringing in the ears right after receiving the vaccine. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek medical assistance immediately. Sitting or lying down can help alleviate these symptoms, as they typically don't last long. It's essential to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because the benefit outweighs the risk of side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. While very rare, a severe allergic reaction to this drug may occur. Seek immediate medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of potential side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned, consult your healthcare professional for advice. Always contact your doctor for medical advice about side effects. If you're in the US, you may report side effects to the Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System, VAERS, at 1-800-822-7967. In Canada, you can call the Vaccine Safety Section at Public Health Agency of Canada at 1-866-844-0018. Before getting the Arexvy vaccine, make sure to let your healthcare provider know if you have any allergies to this vaccine or other vaccines, or if you have any other allergies. This vaccine may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to talk to your healthcare provider about it. Also, be sure to inform your healthcare provider about your medical history, especially if you currently have a fever or illness, or if you have immune system disorders like HIV infection, certain cancers, or if you're undergoing radiation or cancer treatment. If you're pregnant, your healthcare provider may recommend getting the RSV vaccination. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your healthcare provider. And if you're breastfeeding, it's not known if this vaccine passes into breast milk, so be sure to consult your healthcare provider before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of how Arexvy, PF, 120 mcg/0.5 ml im suspension respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, vaccine may interact with other drugs you may be taking. It's possible that these interactions could affect the effectiveness of your medications or increase the risk of experiencing serious side effects. This video does not cover all potential drug interactions, so it's essential to keep a comprehensive list of all the products you use, including prescription and over-the-counter medications as well as herbal products, and share this list with your healthcare provider. It's crucial to consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medications. Arexvy, PF, 120 mcg/0.5 ml im suspension respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, vaccine is used to prevent respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, infection in children at high risk for RSV disease. This vaccine is given as an injection by a healthcare professional. It is important to receive the full series of vaccines for best protection. The usual dosage is 1 injection every 30 days. The best time to take this vaccine is before the start of RSV season, which is typically in the fall. Make sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. This is important for monitoring your health and the effectiveness of the vaccine. Arexvy, PF, 120 mcg/0.5 ml im suspension respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, vaccine is used to prevent respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, infection in children at high risk for RSV disease. This vaccine is given as an injection by a healthcare professional. It is important to receive the full series of vaccines for best protection. The usual dosage is 1 injection every 30 days. The best time to take this vaccine is before the start of RSV season, which is typically in the fall. It is important to store Arexvy, PF, 120 mcg/0.5 ml im suspension respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, vaccine in the refrigerator, but do not freeze it. Make sure to protect it from light and keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it is expired or no longer needed, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal. Avoid flushing the vaccine down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.